Hi, Tech and Talk. Today's agenda is to refactor the existing code. Previously, we have used button and input field. With button, we have added a click handler, and for the input field, we picked the value and showed in an alert, and also inspected in the components extension in the Chrome browser. Okay, we can split that file into multiple components. So to do that, for this series, I would like to split that code based on the elements. What I mean by this is I would like to add a buttons folder inside source, which means that everything we implemented related to buttons is in here. Okay, so let me create a new file. I can name it button on click.js. So it means that button click has been implemented in this component, and for that one I will add a function button on click, and I want to return a view. In here inside I would like to move that button related HTML right like this, and at the end I want to export that component. Export default button on click. All right, next thing is I want this handler to be defined here, which is this one. No, not this one, this one, this one, this one. I will move that one here, and I can comment that here for your ease. Button click handler. And what else we need to do? I think that's fine. I can remove that redundant code from here, and also can replace the button element with that button on click like this, and everything should be working fine. All right, and if I go back to the view and see username is not defined. All right, yeah, username is not defined. Yeah, that's fine. I am click. I can use this string here, and if I go back to my page and refresh it, I'm clicked. That's fine. All right, that was first thing. Also, I would like to add or wrap it inside div so that it should appear in a separate line. Okay, all right. So button click is working fine. So that was our first episode. Second episode is here. So I want to move that logic to a separate file as well. For that one, I will move that state and the handler as well. For that one, I would like to add a folder with name. I can name it, and I can add where it is. Okay, that should be a folder, not a file. Delete it, and I want to add a folder here, inputs, and here we can add input value display.js. Function input value display return, and here I can add that code like this, and I can add the logic on top here as well. And also I would like to wrap this into a separate div as well. Okay, and at the end I would like to show the input value into another element. For that one I would use paragraph, and I can use user name just to make sure that we are able to see the changed value. And if I go back here, and because that was our first video, that should come first, and after that I can add here that input value display, and that should be coming from somewhere from the view input display. input value display like this from dot slash inputs and input value display. Looks good. I don't need use state here now. I don't need logo, just to make sure we are refactoring code as well. Okay, that was the second episode we did. And now if I refresh, I should be able to see default input value displayed here. Okay, I haven't exported that. My bad. Export default input value display like this. I think that should be it. Use state. I missed that use state here. The use state should be imported from React as well. Import use state like this. All right. Now everything is fine. I type anything. My name is Usman. You can see changes are getting displayed inside the paragraph as well. So we are able to get the state value here as well. So that was what we done previously, and in this video we have refactored that code just to make sure that we are managing and we are structuring our code in a way that whenever we want any particular example, we can straight away go to that particular component and utilize that anyway. So you guys can clone that project, and you guys can reuse those components whenever you want. And that was all related to that episode. Stay tuned, keep watching, and keep coding.